Social media can make you successful with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a lot of work, and there are so many ways that someone can either improve upon the program or change the program entirely. So whether you need more techniques to help promote your site, or if you're looking for a new program to promote your site, take a look at the tips below. Check current news headlines to see if you can use them to your internet marketing advantage. A news story on electrical outages, for example, is perfect for you if you are in the solar industry. Use news stories for blog post ideas and real-life examples of why your product or service is a necessary purchase. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor, instead of using your link. Affiliate marketing arrangements are most successful when they speak to your own personal interests. Seek out affiliates and advertisers whose products and services appeal to you personally. A salesman who genuinely believes in his product is always the most convincing salesman. By associating with partners that provide services you like, you can ensure that you will be enthusiastic and trustworthy in promoting them. Affiliate marketing can be a very effective tool to have in your arsenal for promoting your business. You may already have a successful business, but you may want to know how to promote it further, or you may want to learn something new for future marketing plans. No matter your reasons, hopefully the tips above have given you some ideas. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.